Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the Jupiter token airdrop claim. Along with that, there are some other airdrops that are available for claim on the Solana network right now. Now, if we talk about the price of Jupiter, it's close to 80 cents. And if you go ahead and check, there have been a pullback from April 2024 till date, more than 50%. Now, this is because of the market sentiment overall. There have been a pullback in all the altcoins, but I personally feel that this token should do good in the upcoming bull run, and I've stacked a decent amount of Jupiter tokens to be honest. Although none of this is a financial advice, do your own research before investing into any coin or token. Now, before we move on to Jupiter airdrop and rest of the airdrop claim, if you want to buy Jupiter tokens or any other coins and tokens and also deal in futures, you can sign up on Bybit using my referral link, which will give you the highest tier of rewards, which is up to $30,000. Or alternatively, you can use my referral code as crypto505. And for airdrop content in Hindi or Urdu language, you can subscribe to my another channel, Altcoin India Hindi. All the links in the description. Now, if we go to their website over here, which was vote.jup.ag, as you can see, they had this active staking rewards from March to June 2024. So it was from 1st March till the end of June 2024, where they have distributed like 50 million JUP tokens along with 75% launchpad fees and other LFG launchpad tokens over here. So there was this WEN, Sharky, ZEUS tokens. Now few of these tokens I have already claimed in the past, and as you can see, they have clearly mentioned that the active staking rewards are allocated once you vote. And there is this calculation over here where active staking reward allocation is equal to your voting power divided by the total voting power over here. Now for this video purpose, I will be showing my burner wallet over here where I have gone ahead and staked one JUP over here. And as you can see, there have been a lot of active proposals in the past on Jupiter over here where you simply had to go and click on these proposals and vote on them. Now in order to unstake your JUP tokens, there is a waiting period of around 30 days. So you have to wait for completely unstaking your JUP tokens. Now, to be honest, on the main wallet, I have a decent amount of JUP staked and I have received a decent amount of airdrop allocation on my main wallet. Now, in order to claim all these airdrops, all you have to do is you will need to go to this website over here, vote.jup.ag/rewards over here. And as you can see, there are these rewards that are available for claim. Now, on this wallet, I have participated in 7 out of 9 votes over here. And as you can see, the active staking rewards period is from 6th March to 30th June 2024. And these are the rewards that are available for claim. But they have also mentioned a note over here that some of these rewards might be too small to claim, which is true. Now, I personally feel that out of all of this, I only feel like this stake JUP is worth claiming, because if I go ahead and show you, for example, this shark token over here. Now let me wait for the wallet to load over here. Now as you can see, the gas fees is costing me more than 50 cents while the token reward is only like less than 1 cent to be honest. So this is not worth claiming. Now if we talk about the Jupiter price over here, it's like around 80 cents. So the amount that I have received on this wallet is like 3.8, and rest of them are less than the gas fees. So you can go ahead and check if these tokens are less than the gas fees. Then to be honest, there is no use of claiming this right now, so I will simply go ahead and claim this stake JUP over here. Now at times, due to website load, this might take some time for you to go ahead and claim over here. So as you can see, for claiming the stake JUP over here, the gas fees is like around 23 cents. So I will go ahead and click on approve over here. Now within 10 to 15 seconds, this JUP would be reflected in my Soulflare wallet, which I use. So this is how you can go ahead and actually claim all of these rewards over here. And I think the major round for Jupiter airdrop would be somewhere in January of 2025, because they have like 4 rounds in total. And the first round was very good to be honest. Some of them are millionaires now. They have received a very high allocation of Jupiter tokens. So this is all for this video with regards to Jupiter and few of the other airdrops that are available for claim right now. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.